What's up, y'all? It's Randall Rock from There's Room for Us. And listen, the Jordan 5s are one of my all-time favorite Jordans. And today, I'm going to be unboxing the Awake NY Jordan 5 collab. Oh man, more paper to it. Oh man, these joints are fire. Alright, let's get a closer look at these joints. And you know what I like most about these is the red inside. Like they just like the classics, like down. Yeah. So let me know what y'all think about these in the comments, man. Money well spent right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. There's room for us. I'm your host, Randall Rock. I'll see y'all on the next one.